Hi guys, this is me, Libby, and I'm in the bathroom getting all the stuff that I'm gonna need to make new slime. Because my last one kind of failed for white, so we're gonna make a new one. By the way, we're not gonna be using a lot because, yeah, that went bad. It's my Nana. Oh, I need Olay. Gotta get Olay. So here's the Olay that I'm gonna use. And what I do first, I'm gonna add shampoo. There. Now this one's more stiff. There. And this is probably all we're gonna add because literally it's gonna be too much. There. Now let's see. So then you stir all of it up. This just looks like slime already, honestly. I mean, look at that. That's how Vibrant got all of her beauty. Okay, we can probably add a little bit more right in the corners. Now we're gonna put all this up because we don't need it anymore. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir all this up. Yep, this seems like it's good. So now we're actually gonna add a different color. We're actually not gonna do white slime because I don't want to. I actually want to add something different because white slime is probably the last slime that I want to do. So I'm going to get this, set that there. So now you can see what the slime is going to look like. We're going to try to make orange slime. Let's try and do this. That's good. So man, that is not turning orange. Okay, that's turning pink. Look. Okay, you can't really see on camera. I'm like, that's turning pink. I want more pink. Okay, I'm actually kind of okay with it, but kind of not. That sounds weird. Just blue bubbles everywhere. So now we're just gonna stir and hope that we get an orangey color. Because we want an orangey color so we can, okay, that's just pink. Okay, I guess we can get like an orange pastel color. That'll work, right? Okay, on camera it doesn't look good, but ta-da! Can you guys even see the orangeness? I don't think y'all guys can, but trust me, it's orange. And that's what I kind of wanted. Well, it's like a nice orange. Hold on. Hold on. Does this puff out? Aww. Puffs out white and it's orange color. No. Do you have any orange? Okay, that can work. I think I'm actually using the same ingredients I did for the pink slime because this one most likely will evolve like the pink one. So now, this one's gonna be 3 days behind. That's nice. I think if we stir while we add. Yeah, I think if we stir while we add, then that'll work. There's bubbles. Probably just one more. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I think we're good. So that's our slime. Now we're just gonna close her up. Now we're done with our slime. So I hope y'all guys have enjoyed this video of how to actually make slime. The other one, yeah, that didn't work. I'm just gonna let y'all guys know that now. That white slime clearly did not work at all. So, we didn't even add water to that. Oh my gosh, I had to add water. I didn't even add water. Okay, now it's turning into the slime that it was supposed to be. Okay, now we're done. I'm just gonna do that and lay this on. Now we're done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. See you again soon.